Just want to say Happy New Year to all the folks there at Pure Water Systems of Nevada. This is Steve out in Washoe Valley, a happy client, and just wanted to take a couple minutes to thank Amanda and her team for the responsiveness and due diligence on installing this system that we have at the house to mitigate the well issues that we've had over the last year or so. It is really valuable to have a team and a point person like Amanda to lead the team, the technicians and everybody that's been involved in mitigating the issues that we've had with the well here over this past year. Not just at this location, but we have another well house out in the field that has been maintained as well, and recommendations on how to best move forward. So just wanted to say thanks. You guys are awesome. As you may or may not know, I know Amanda does, I'm a realtor here in this area, and because of the service that you've provided, I will continue to pass along your team and company as a reference to any of the clients that need help. So again, just wanted to say thanks. Amanda, you've been awesome, and appreciate the responsiveness and attention to detail. And it's been a real pleasure to work with you and the team. So thanks again, and we'll be in touch. Take care.